When your dog asks what's for dinner, this slow cooker beef dog food recipe is just what you need. Start by peeling one large sweet potato. While the skins can be beneficial for humans, they can be difficult for your dog to digest, so they do not need any skins. Chop the potato into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin A and fiber for your dog. This is a great healthy carb to feed your dog every day. Slice 2 large carrots, then chop 1 large bell pepper into small chunks. You can use any color bell pepper that you like, but the red has the most nutrients because it's been on the vine for the longest. This is also John John's favorite color. Add 1 pound of organic grass-fed ground beef to your slow cooker. Break it up so it's even along the bottom. Add the sweet potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. Then add 1 cup of water and don't stir it. Slow cook on low for 2 hours. You want to stir this halfway through to move some of the veggies to the bottom now that the meat is fully cooked. As soon as it's done, it's ready to serve. If you have a smaller dog, be sure to chop up the meat and veggies a bit more before serving. This simple dinner has loads of health benefits for your dog. Bell peppers have antioxidants, vitamin A, C, E, and more. And carrots have beta-carotene and support your dog's immune system. Organic grass-fed beef will have the most health benefits and omega-3s for your dog. It has up to 5 times more than conventional meat, so that's why it's important to buy organic. Your dog will go absolutely nuts for this homemade beef dinner for dogs. Store this in an airtight container for up to 5 days. You can also meal prep this and freeze individual portions as well. If you want more easy and healthy dog food recipes, hit that subscribe button and join John John and me in the kitchen next time.